Alright, so if you want to upload your own files and share them online using Scribd, yeah, it's actually a really useful feature for students, creators, or anyone with documents to share. In this guide, I'll show you everything step by step so you don't miss anything. First, open Scribd on your browser or app and log into your account. You must be signed in before uploading anything. Now look at the top menu or your profile section and find the Upload or Write button. Click on Upload, and it will ask you to select a file from your device. Select the document you want to upload. It can be a PDF, Word file, or even a text file. Now give your document a proper title and add a short description so people understand what it is about. You can choose whether your document is public or private depending on how you want to share it. Now click Upload or Publish, and Scribd will start processing your file. Just wait a few moments. Once it's done, go to your profile or library to see your uploaded document. You can now copy the link and share your document with others easily. If needed, you can edit details, update the title, or remove the document anytime. And yeah, that's how you upload documents on Scribd. Once you do it once, it becomes really simple and fast.